In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate leads using ActiveCampaign and Thrive Leads. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We all know that generating leads is crucial for any business, and using the right tools can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk a little bit about what ActiveCampaign and Thrive Leads are. ActiveCampaign is a powerful email marketing and automation platform designed to help you connect with your audience more effectively. Thrive Leads, on the other hand, is a lead generation plugin specifically designed for WordPress sites. When combined, these two tools can significantly streamline your lead generation process. To get started, you need to have accounts with both ActiveCampaign and Thrive Leads. If you don't have these set up yet, head over to their websites and create your accounts. It's fairly straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you have both accounts set up, the first step is to create a form in ActiveCampaign that will allow you to gather information from your leads. To do this, log into your ActiveCampaign account, navigate to the Forms section, and click on Create a Form. From here, you can customize your form to capture whatever information is most relevant for your business, like names, emails, or even specific interests. Make sure to keep the design clean and inviting. The easier it is for potential leads to fill out, the more likely they are to do so. Once you're satisfied with your form, make sure to save it and take note of the form ID. You'll need this when you connect it to Thrive Leads. Now let's shift gears to Thrive Leads. After you've installed and activated the plugin on your WordPress site, go to the Thrive dashboard. Here, you'll find the lead generation section. Click on Add New. You can choose from several different types of opt-in forms, like pop-ups, sticky ribbons, or inline forms. Choose the one that best fits your website and click Create. When you're in the form editor, you have the option to integrate your ActiveCampaign form directly. To do this, look for the Integrations tab and select ActiveCampaign from the list. You will need to connect your ActiveCampaign account to Thrive Leads by entering your API key, which you can find in your ActiveCampaign settings. This connection allows Thrive Leads to send collected email addresses directly to your ActiveCampaign list. Once your integration is all set, go back to the form editor and select the option to add an ActiveCampaign form. Here, you'll input the form ID from the form you created earlier. This step is crucial, as it ensures all the data collected through Thrive Leads goes directly to ActiveCampaign. Next, you'll want to customize your Thrive Leads form to align with your branding. Adjust colors, fonts, and any imagery to make the form appealing and representative of your brand. Finally, after you've made all your customizations, don't forget to test your form to ensure everything is working correctly. Submit a test lead and check your ActiveCampaign account to see if the information comes through as expected. And that's it. You've successfully set up a lead generation system using ActiveCampaign and Thrive Leads. Start promoting your forms on your website, social media, and even through email campaigns. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more tips on digital marketing.